absolutely loving the polo and pink in Pakistan. Being very blessed. This is my second time here, and of course the polo is fantastic and the competition is very tough. I am a polo player, yes. I am a professional polo player from Australia. Oh, definitely a big difference. I mean, definitely not in enthusiasm. The Pakistani players are super enthusiastic and passionate, as we are in Australia as well. I think there's a slightly different understanding of the rules at times, but you know, the aggressiveness on the field is strong here, which I love. It's great to be a part of it. The Polo and Pink tournament, which is obviously helping raise awareness for breast cancer, is a wonderful initiative. The issue with breast cancer in Pakistan is obviously quite severe, so it's wonderful that the Lahore Polo Club puts on this Polo and Pink and is helping to raise awareness for that issue. It's a really great initiative.
So I love this tournament. It's so great that we get to go and play with all different people from Pakistan, and we kind of get two tournaments in one. We've got the ladies exhibition match tomorrow where all the ladies from all the teams play as a whole, and then we get split up into 15 different teams, which is amazing. The turnout has been fantastic. I think it's fantastic to support Pink October. There's lots of tournaments going on around the world, but definitely we've got the best one here in Pakistan. Incredible. The Pakistani food and the culture is incredible. I've had such a fantastic time. What do I like the most here? I just think everyone is just so nice. Everybody's so welcoming. Everyone wants you to have an amazing time, which we have done. Can't say a bad word about it.